Hi, this is Jeff from BackyardWaterGarden.com. I had a viewer request a question from a viewer. His name is Jeff. So Jeff, this video is for you. Your question was, how do you hide the UV light once you have it set up? And are there smaller versions of the UV light? Well, the answer to the smaller versions question is yes. You can buy different lengths UV lights depending on the size of your pond. So just make sure that your light is sized properly to the volume of your pond. As you can see here, this is our viewing area. We have a bench here. We have a little table set up over here. Table and chair. So this is the main area that we look at the pond. I decided not to cover up my UV light only because I need to get access to it from time to time, and when the season's over I need to take it in for the winter months. So it's kind of a mess back here. But as you can see, everything's still out exposed. I can still get to the valves there, and the main one's underneath this piece of siding I had laying around. I just covered it up. So I just wanted to show how I hid it. I planted a piece of grass, and this grass should spread and camouflage this pipe fairly nicely. We also have a log in front, so you can't really see it from our viewing area. So I hope this helps. Make sure to subscribe, and also if you have any questions about the UV light installation, there's an article about walking you through step by step on how to install one and the benefits of them and the different sizes available on BackyardWaterGarden.com. I'll put a link below. Just be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.